Hey guys, I want to tell you a story. My truck got repossessed. It wasn't possessed in the first place. Um, Last Wednesday I was at Home Depot doing the Home Depot thing. I come out to get into my truck and drive off. My dog was in the truck. It was early morning, and this big tow truck pulls up, discreet tow truck, and says, "I'm repoing your car. You need to vacate." My blood went cold. Had a few other things going on in my head at the time. The guy ended up being really cool. He just works for the company and he needs the money. I can understand that, but they decided to hook up my rig, my Tahoe, and take it away. If I didn't come out any later, if I came out any later, my dog would have been taken by animal control. And so that's a blessing. And I got most of my drone stuff out, so I could still work if I could drive. Because my Tahoe is my business truck, and the way I get around. So also I live in this RV, this travel trailer here, and so I have no way to tow it. So I put together a GoFundMe, or a GoSendMe, or a GoFundSendMe. Anyway, I put a link in the description if you want to help out. But I need to raise $5,500. That includes impound fees and the bank payment. I was late on one payment, doing a good job. Before I left for Mexico for my brain treatment, I made 2 payments to cover 2 months. Apparently they didn't count that, so they considered that delinquent. They didn't count 2 months, they counted it as a big payment. And so I've been really focusing on my medical bills here, and I was late on my last payment by probably 4 or 5 days, and I've totally spaced it. I was paying other bills, and so the order was given to repo my truck. In another video, I'll show you how sneaky these guys are. I've been learning their system, and it's pretty incredible as a technology guy how they do it, but it sucks. So it's being held locally here for 60 days, but I need to pay the balance off here in on the 6th. It needs to be paid off. So if you guys could give me any advice of what to do. I've raised about $1,500 so far, and I got a couple of other inbound checks from friends. So we'll see what that amounts to. Hopefully we'll get it. I'll get it back. I have a good feeling that we will. Me and Skye, my dog. He's asleep. But anyway, when it happened, I was camping out in the forest. So I'm still out in the forest. Thank goodness I have a generator and air conditioning and, a great view, even though I've got dirty windows behind me here. But yeah, it's not too bad. I'm glad I own my own home. So yeah, I moved out of my apartment and bought this travel trailer cash, and so I own it. I don't have to worry about any payments or anything like that, so I'm fixing it up. I got a lot of work done on it. I installed my solar panels up on the roof. I gotta wire them now, but I got most of the components, I think. I just gotta tap the roof and send the wires down. So that's something. I guess it forces me to take a break, but we'll see. On Thursday, we'll see what happens. Appreciate your time.